Hi guys, my name's Debbie. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. So today's video is going to be the third video that I've filmed with the Kaleidos Makeup Futurism Collection. I've already filmed unboxing of the whole bundle and a look with the Astro Pink palette, and yesterday I uploaded one with the Sci-Fi Green palette where I just swatched out the shades and did one eye look using the more softer goldy tones. So I'll link both of those videos up in the cards for you. But this one today is going to be on the bronze palette, the Cyber Bronze, which is the colour story that spoke to me the most, and I wanted to leave what I thought would be the best till last for me, instead of diving into the one that excited me the most. So I've got high expectations for this one, and the reason why is because of the red shade. So if you've not seen the other ones and you don't know what I'm talking about, these are the palettes. They open like that, and you've got a mirror, and then you've got 6 shades. And the shades in this one, you've got 3 mattes and 3 shimmers. So the mattes, you've got cooler tone brown, a rusty brown, a caramel, and then you've got a silver, a red, and a looks like a bronzy shade, but I'm going to swatch them out because I'm quite confused about that one on the end and what tone that'll actually be. So just going to do that now, swatch them out and show you. Right, that's the shades all swatched out, and the mattes are very similar in feel and pigmentation to the other 2 palettes, so they feel super smooth. They're pretty pigmented. Did 2 swipes of the dark one, only 1 swipe of each of the others. I didn't really need much help to build up, but so excited for the shimmers. They look absolutely stunning. That red is such a really pretty unusual tone, and the silver looks like the silver of my dreams, quite honestly. It looks super foily and pigmented. Can't wait to use that one. And the shade I wasn't sure about, so the one on the top there are shade names, but they fall off. They're like on a leaflet. I think actually I can tell you the red one because it's, yeah, infrared, the red one is called, because it's obvious which name that one is. And then that bronzy shade, super beautiful as well. So gonna have a little think about what look I'm gonna create using those, but pretty much sure I've got to use the red and the silver. But let's get on with the eye look. Okay, to start off the look, I'm gonna go in with the deep brown in the palette. I'm building that up higher than my crease because I'm gonna do a cut crease today. I really want to try out that silver on my lid, so I'm gonna go a bit higher and not go all the way into the corner. Leave myself plenty of space for that silver to shine, but I'm just giving myself a bit of a base to work with, really. Swap brushes to get a bit more precise into my crease. I'm going to keep this more of a rounded shape, so I'm going to drag that round onto my lower lash line as well. Now I've laid that down, then I can blend that out a bit more. So that's the foundations for the shape of the look. So now I'm going to cut my crease. Just taking my Revolution Conceal and Define and my cut crease brush to do this. Cut the crease a bit of a different shape. I've kind of left this area open. I'm just going to tap that out where it meets the brown. And then with what's left on my brush, I'm just going to blend that out. I've just got the remainder of that brown on there. so we don't have a harsh edge at that area there. Right, I think what I'm going to do is go darkest to lightest. So I'm going to go with the red in my outer part of the cut crease, then the bronzy colour, and then my silver in the centre. Then I'll flip the brush over and I'm going to go in with the bronzy metallic. And I'm just tapping that out so that it blends with the red. Okay, and now for the silver. Okay, so that's where we are right now. I'm just going to go in my lower lash line. My lower lash line, I want to use the red. And then I'm going to take a pencil brush and I'm going to bring the line of that red kind of down to make a false inner corner. And then I'm just going to fill in that false inner corner with the silver. And then for my waterline, I'm going in with the Anger Mood crayon from Linda Hallberg. So that's what we have right now. Just going to hop off camera, do the other eye, choose a lipstick and mascara, and I'll be right back with the finished look. Okay guys, so here's the finished look. So what do you think? I really like this inner corner shape. I took the inspiration of like it being a sci-fi kind of vibe to the palette and trying to make myself look a little bit alien, and I think I kind of achieved it, and I'm living for this red shade and the silver shade in this palette, and I knew I would. They're just my sort of colours, and I think this one is my favourite. Maybe the Astro Pink. I don't feel like I've given the Sci-Fi Green enough love because I need to do something with the greens in that. But going back to this one, so I've only used the one matte in the palette. There is some kick up on it, I was just blowing the fallout away. But it shears out nicely, builds up nicely, and it's got a very nice tone to it. It plays really well with the reds that are in here. Haven't obviously tried the other two warmer ones. If I had any changes I would make to make it more of a Debbie palette, I would have liked a grey in here rather than perhaps one of the caramelly browns. But you can see what they were going for. It does fit the sort of, looks like the face of Mars kind of on the packaging, and they've gone for some earthy tones in there as well. But a grey would have really played off nice with the red and the silver. But that's fine because I'll have greys in my collection, so I will do that at some point, I think. The silver, oh my word. I think my quest for my perfect silver may be over. I didn't even use glitter glue with that. I sprayed my brush with the red because I got some fallout, but I didn't with the silver. I was putting it over a concealer base because obviously I was doing a cut crease, so the concealer was still slightly tacky. And I did spray my brush, as I say, with the red just to stop the fallout, but with the other two shades I didn't, and they're still so vivid. I've not been so inspired by a range of makeup in the longest time, and I'm terrible for buying makeup. I buy so much makeup, but this is really sparking my creativity and I'm just really enjoying these. I think for the price, I mean £45 for the three in such beautiful packaging, you know, where the packaging's all the pattern all the way around, and how quality it feels, and just the stunning quality and the shade range inside, just fantastic. So obviously I've not played with all the mattes, I've played with pretty much all the shimmers I think. Yeah, I have. Oh no, there's one greeny gold I haven't played with in the sci-fi green. So what I'm going to do is play with them some more off camera, because what I'd like to do is create a look using shades from all three, and then I'll bring my final thoughts to the table then once I've played with every single shade and created one more look, because I think there's a couple of things I could do combining some of the shades from the three palettes. So I might do a sort of 2 looks from 3 palettes to wrap up my thoughts on the collection, but that'll probably take some time to come because I've got some other things that I want to do in between. But really hope you've enjoyed seeing this look. Please let me know down in the comments if you've enjoyed seeing me create it. It's not an everyday look, but I'm going to be wearing it to work today. I do wear glasses, it hides a lot of what I wear on my makeup. But my highlight today was the Ofra glazed donut, so you can see my highlight from space as well. So I've kept my lips toned down with the Velour liquid lipstick from Jeffree Star in the shade Celebrity Skin, one of my go-tos if I want a nude. But that wraps it up for today's video. If you've enjoyed it, then please hit the like button and please consider subscribing before you go, and I'll catch you in the next one, guys. Bye.